2011 Ford C-Max 1.6T EcoBoost Titanium MPV5 Dr. Petrol Manual. A practical and reliable family car. One owner from new, 85,887 miles. MOT valid until the 17th of September 2026. Service history with 11 service stamps. This well-maintained Ford C-Max comes equipped with Bluetooth phone connectivity, air conditioning, cruise control and ISOFIX child seat anchor points, making it an ideal choice for family use and everyday driving. The vehicle also includes RR breakdown cover and is supplied with 3-month standard warranty, with the option to extend cover for up to 2 years for additional peace of mind. Buying with Chance Cars Limited. Chance Cars Limited is an independently owned, family-run motor dealership based in Sutton, specializing in high-quality pre-owned vehicles. With years of industry experience, we have built a strong reputation for providing exceptional customer service, quality vehicles and a professional, transparent buying experience. We are proud recipients of the Auto Trader Customer Choice Award for 6 consecutive years, reflecting our commitment to customer satisfaction. Every vehicle is carefully selected, professionally prepared, pre-inspected and fully vehicle history checked to ensure complete peace of mind. Through our partnership with Auto Trader, all vehicles are competitively priced and monitored daily to offer good or great value within the market. With over 237 excellent customer reviews, our reputation speaks for itself. Chance Cars Limited is a highly rated, family-run dealership in Sutton, London, proudly offering quality used cars with honest service and unbeatable value. With a 4.95 Auto Trader rating and up to 6 months warranty plus RR breakdown cover, we make sure you drive away with confidence. Visit us today and experience car buying the way it should be: simple, transparent, and friendly.